Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible aircraft ever created, the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber. This American heavy strategic bomber is a marvel of stealth technology, designed to fly through even the most advanced enemy defenses. The B-2 Spirit is a subsonic flying wing that has been in service since 1987, and it can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. Its unique design allows it to carry over 8,500 pounds of bombs, including GPS-guided bombs and nuclear payloads, such as the B-83 bomb. This capacity gives it an edge over most other aircraft in its class. As the Soviet Union collapsed, the role of the B-2 expanded. It started being used for precision airstrikes and missions that required advanced targeting systems. The B-2 is the only aircraft currently capable of carrying air-to-surface weapons with such stealth capabilities. Originally designed for deep, nuclear strike missions during the Cold War, the B-2's design reduces radar visibility. The B-2 is equipped with 2 internal bomb bays, ensuring that it doesn't need to carry external weapons, which would make it more detectable. A specialized team of airmen takes care of loading and handling the munitions on the B-2. They follow very strict procedures to ensure that everything is secured properly before flight. These highly trained airmen work carefully to lift, transport, and load the munitions, often using bomb lifts and trailers to move them into the hangars. Once the munitions are loaded, they are inspected thoroughly to make sure everything works as it should. B-2 bombers have designated loading points where bombs are mounted onto the aircraft. These bombers are equipped with rotary launchers and internal bomb bays to carry these weapons. Before every flight, there is a rigorous pre-flight check. This includes testing all systems, avionics, engines, and flight controls. Every part of the bomber is thoroughly checked to ensure it's ready for the mission ahead. The B-2's stealth technology is crucial to its operations. It relies on advanced avionics systems that need regular maintenance to keep it invisible to radar. The engines are also checked to ensure they are performing at their best, as they need to support long-range, high-altitude missions. The B-2 has a unique design that allows it to fly as a wing, which makes it harder to detect by radar. However, this also comes with challenges in maintaining flight stability. To help with this, the B-2 uses a sophisticated computer-controlled flight system that automatically adjusts flight surfaces to keep the plane stable. Even in challenging conditions, the aircraft also uses advanced sensors to track its airspeed and altitude, all while maintaining its low radar signature. Northrop Grumman designed the B-2 with special features, such as split-brake rudders and differential thrust, which further reduce its visibility on radar. The B-2 is equipped with 4 engines that are embedded into the wings, which reduces drag and helps keep it stealthy. These engines not only affect how the aircraft flies, but also how it handles in various conditions in flight. The B-2 uses specialized flight control systems to adjust the control surfaces of the aircraft, ensuring it flies smoothly. During takeoff and landing, the control surfaces adjust to prevent damage. And the aircraft uses a unique drooping mechanism for added safety. One of the key aspects of the B-2's operations is its ability to be refueled in the air. This allows the bomber to stay airborne for long distances, ensuring that it can complete its mission even if it's far from base. The B-2 also has a quick refueling system known as hot pit refueling, which allows it to get back in the air in a hurry if needed. Apart from flying, the B-2 requires regular maintenance to stay in top condition. The aircraft weighs about 160,000 pounds, would need special procedures to ensure that everything is working properly. Hydraulic jacks are used to lift the plane, allowing for detailed checks on the landing gear if any leaks or damage are found. The parts are replaced immediately to ensure safety. Similarly, the engines undergo rigorous inspections to keep the bomber reliable and ready for any mission. These inspections help maintain the B-2's operational integrity and extend its service life in the evolution of stealth aircraft. The F-117 Nighthawk was an important predecessor to the B-2, designed in the 1970s. The F-117 was built to evade Soviet air defenses, Its first flight was in 1981, and it entered service in 1982. The F-117 was designed for stealth with its faceted shape and minimal radar signature, but it was limited by its subsonic speed and the size of its weapons bay. This led to the development of the larger and more versatile B-2 Spirit. The B-2 entered service in the 1990s. It's initially designed for nuclear strikes, but has since evolved to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. It's making it one of the most versatile bombers in the world. As the B-2 continues to serve, there are plans to replace the aging fleet of bombers with the next generation of stealth bombers. Northrop Grumman is currently developing the B-21 Raider, which will take over for the B-2 starting in the mid-2030s. The B-2 Spirit represents a huge leap forward in stealth and aviation technology. From the F-117 to the B-2, and now the B-21 Raider. These aircraft are designed to maintain the United States' aerial superiority for decades to come. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more exciting content, and see you next time.